Hey my friends, welcome to a new Dive in Live tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use drums through a vocoder, which is really interesting. So join me. We've got Ableton open, and it's a track I'm working on with my friend Ari, and we've been using these vocoder tricks lately, and as you can see here we have a group called Vocoder, and it makes this sound, which is quite musical for drums. In the track it sounds like this. So if I would mute all the rest so we don't have the rest sounding, just the drums and the vocoder, you have this sort of like chordy kind of sound. And what it is, we have here a 909 drum kit, and we have a loop. This is just from a drum loop that we've used. And if I turn off the vocoder, you can listen and hear how they sound without the vocoder. So let's listen to this one. Crazy sound. And these are the drums. And as you can see, if I zoom in a bit, the drums have a lot of swing. You see the notes are moved quite heavily off the grid. Also here. And also here towards the end. So all the notes are quite swung, which will add this sort of swing to your grooves. Check out one of the earlier tutorials that I did on swing. You know, swinging your 16th notes is very important to get that like groovy kind of sound. So yeah, what if we turn on the vocoder? You hear that. So this is the original. It's a mess. But if you turn on the vocoder, it sounds pretty nice. So what we've done, we've used an external source, the Stab Low, which is this guy. And it's not making any noise. If you listen to it, it's just doing this. So every time this plays, the vocoder will be sort of like activated and change the input that it has. And this is set to the input of the vocoder. So we've routed that channel into the external carrier of the of the vocoder. So the audio comes from the Stab. And I've turned on the enhance to make it a bit brighter, because through vocoder use you might get a bit of like a more dull sound. It's without. And with, you can hear just a bit more high. So yeah, you got all these settings of how sensitive it is, all these other things. Check out the manual vocoder to see what each function does. But yeah, basically you just have to route something through it. And the cool thing is that you can also adjust the release. To play around with it as well, to create sort of like a climax in your break or whatnot. And it's a very, very cool feature that you can do. Just put some drums through your vocoder and create some nice effect. You can also use this to make it a bit more, yeah, dreamy kind of, and this will make it more snappy. Very nice. And yeah, so that's what we've done. So every time this plays, we get like a very, very cool sort of like chordy sound into our groove. And yeah, if you play it together with the drums, you have and you can automate that release as well to have it yeah, move and evolve over time. So this is how you can put drums through vocoder and create sort of like a musical effect and add some, yeah, sort of percussion grooves to your sound, which have a musical touch. So with the rest of the track, it will actually sound pretty awesome if we activate the rest here. And here in the end, I created a bit more rhythm. So you hear a bit more of a feel. So remember that the end of your let's say 32 beats should always contain some cool feel to add some more rhythmical elements to the end of the bar, and yeah, make your music more interesting. So I hope you like this short but powerful tutorial. There's way more on the YouTube channel of Lessons in Live. Check also www.lessonsinlive.com to see what courses I offer, like beginners Ableton courses and advanced producer courses, as well as private lessons. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.